Hey friends, it's Laura. I'm your real estate gal here in Utah. And looking back, can you believe it's been nearly 2 decades since I started helping families find their perfect home here in Utah? You know, as I look back, time has flown by when you're having fun, but there's been those moments where it hasn't been fun, but you work through those. And, over the years, I've learned so much about real estate, but about life too, and about the things that truly make a house a home. And I would say one of the biggest lessons is not about the size of the house, it's about the life that you live inside it. It's about creating a space that brings you joy and peace and connection. And that, my friends, is where the magic of minimalism comes in. And here's what I've learned, over the past 2 decades in real estate, and that is that bigger isn't always better. A smaller, more intentional space can free you up financially. It can free you up emotionally. It gives you more time and resources to enjoy the amazing Utah, the lifestyle. Think about hiking and skiing in the mountains and think about all of the beautiful, wonderful things and the culture around here in Utah. Exploring all the vibrant cities here. Number two would be invest in experiences, not just beautifully staged home. It's a wonderful thing, but it's the memories that you create inside that home that truly matters. When you look back 20 years later, it's those memories. Imagine a cozy family gatherings around the fireplace, the game nights in the living room, or just breathtaking sunsets from your from your patio. And I would say the third thing is a home should be a reflection of what your values are. What is it important to you? Is it family connection? Is it creativity? Is it peace? Your home should be a sanctuary that supports your values and the life that you want to live. Minimalism helps you create that space by eliminating those distractions and focusing on what truly matters. Sometimes we get caught up in all this stuff, and that really doesn't matter in the long run. Community is key too. Utah is all about community, and having a minimalistic lifestyle can free you up and free up your time and your energy to connect and get out with your neighbors, to volunteer and to get involved, in those local events. And finally, the joy of letting go. Just moving is a perfect opportunity to declutter and simplify and let go of the things that no longer serve you, and to create that space for new beginnings in your new home. This can be surprisingly freeing. I've had clients that just say, I didn't realize I can get by without all of that stuff. But, it's not having empty rooms too. It's about creating a home that supports your dreams, your passions, and the life that you want to live. And remember that minimalism is not a one-size-fits-all type of thing. It's about finding what works for you, what works for your family. If you're ready to make a move and to simplify your life, go ahead and reach out to me. Let's chat. I've got a lot of questions, a lot of experience, a lot of things I've learned over the years. I'm here to help you every step of the way. So please make sure you subscribe. I release new content weekly. And meanwhile, I'll see you next time.